If you want to make games in Unity, you need C Sharp. But why C Sharp? Why not Python, Java, or something else? Let's break it down simply. Unity didn't always use C Sharp. It started with JavaScript, but C Sharp became the best choice. C Sharp is faster, safer, and easy to use for big game projects. Unlike C++, C Sharp has fewer complicated rules. It is structured but not too strict, meaning you can make mistakes without breaking everything. C Sharp makes it easier to organize your code with objects like player, enemies, and game mechanics. It also works with Unity's physics, animations, and AI in a smooth way. And it is not just for Unity. You can use it for desktop apps, VR, and even AI. You're not going to be learning just a game engine. In this course or series, or whatever you want to call it, we will be learning a real world skill. So let's dive in and start coding. I'll see you in the next one.